We are very happy that he has come all the way from Argentina to be present for this function. He was our award winner in 2004. We are missing Nana Chudasma today because from the day one academy has started, he has always been with us. Because of his ill health, he is not able to be with us. I also want to mention Mr. Neeraj Bajaj, Director of Bajaj Group, who stood by the Academy as a rock. It is our privilege to name the Global Award for Outstanding Contribution to Promotion of Human Rights in honor of his father, Shri Ram Kishan Bajaj, who was very closely associated with the Academy from the beginning. I would also like to mention Rahul Karad. I don't know whether he is here. And he has started a program to train the future politicians, that we should have corrupt-free India. I've been attending his function every year. More than 8,000 students from different parts of the country, they come and get the training. We have Mr. Kayur Patel, who is one of the topmost glass trophy sculptors. He has been preparing our glittering trophies all these years, and I would like to recognize his presence. Is he there, Mr. Kayur Patel? Yeah, okay, thank you. Please give him a big hand. He's been doing a wonderful job. It is my great pleasure and privilege to welcome the distinguished awardees who have come from different parts of the world to make it truly global function. By accepting the award, they have greatly honored us. It's a great honor to us. I extend my congratulations to Shri Young and Dynamic Kumar Mangalam Birla, Chairman Aditya Birla Group, Dr. Samir Brahmachari, Director General CSIR. Thank you. Chevalier Thakur Niranjan Deva Aditya. He is popularly known as Niraj Deva, and I have seen him speaking in European Parliament so many times. Thank you, Nirajji, being with us. Dr. Jenny Devas, National Coordinator of Domestic Workers Movement. We will be soon having Deepika Padkun from Mr. Ramesh Torani has been really rendering a very big help to coordinate with our Smita Patil Memorial Award. Without him, I don't think it will be possible for us to have that kind of selection. Thank you, Ramesh, for being with us. And Mr. Aditya Puri, Managing Director, HDFC Bank. Mr. Jack Rogozinski, he is from Inter-American Investment Corporation. And Mr. Juan Charity, political leader, one of the popular political leaders from Argentina. They have all excelled their respective field of activities through the excellent service to humanity and the society. To introduce awardees and speak volumes about their achievement would have been a great pleasure for me, but I restrain myself and leave this pleasant duty to Vinod Advani and Reena Rupani. I'm sure they will do the needful. It will be also great pleasure to felicitate two young and dynamic, energetic parliamentarians. Milind Devra, I think I know him when he was hardly few years old. I have been knowing his father from 1968-69, and today he's a minister for telecommunications, state minister. We are really proud of him, that seeing him young boy, and today he has been inducted in the Union Cabinet. And Mr. Piyush Goyal, I had told him the day I met him, I said, one day this man will be doing something which whole country will admire. And both of them, Milind and Piyush, I think they will leave a very big impact in Indian politics. Please give them a big hand. I want to make a special mention of Professor Sharda Nandaram, who has specially flown from Amsterdam to attend this function. She has been very closely associated with the Academy in effort to spread ancient wisdom of India. The Academy publication Kautilya Arthashastra, The Way of Financial Management and Economic Development, which was translated by her in Dutch language. Today we are happy to release the e-version of this book in Farsi language from Iran. She has also She has been trying to get it translated in Russian and German language. Please give her a big hand. Where's Sharda? Please stand up. Sharda, please come here. Reena spoke about our educational scholarship. This year, due to paucity of funds, we were thinking of reducing the number of scholarship. But as per our belief, in God's bank, there is no dearth of funds. Our dear friend Niranjan Hiranandani, Nachal Israni and Neeraj Deva readily agreed to supplement the funds with a record number of 297 scholarship of 10,000 rupees each. It is only because of them. Our support, without whom this function would not have been possible, have been very generous and responded to this cause. Though I would like to mention about all the names, but I will restrict to few. Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, P.P. Chabria, Sunil Datwani, Devendra Burma of Trident Hotel. It is impossible to have a function like this. I think, but the way they have supported us, I think they are really doing a wonderful job to support NGOs. Thank you, Devendra ji, for being with us. And Mr. Jitu Shah, Atul Nishar, and Prabodh Thakkar of Aeon Global. This function would not have been possible without the help of Mr. Mahesh Thakkar. Mr. Nayan Patel has been associated with Academy from last 28 years. Today, he is not here because his father had a stroke and he's in hospital. But Mahesh has taken our challenge, and I'm sure everything has been almost gone well. And thanks to Anjali Patkar, Mr. Vishwanathan, Vincent, Mohar, Saurabh, Natasha, Nidhi, and the entire staff of Priyadarshini Academy. And I want to specially recognize the presence of Manju Nichani. Well, please. All the students who are escorting our awardees and all the arrangement which is made in this hall is because of Manjuji. She has really supported us in a very big way. I am really overwhelmed by the growth and success of Priyadarshini through the years. I would also recognize the presence of Dr. Behramji, because I had a real problem with my back. And he said that you come to me, and he went away to America. But afterwards also I was not feeling well. I couldn't stand. Then Dr. Trivedi and Mr. Mehta, they said, why you are worried? Where's Dr. Trivedi? Is he here? So I was treated there, and yeah, doctor, please come here. Chetan Mehta and all, they really helped me to be here. With this, I would like to thank all of you, and I would like to welcome you once again for being with us. Thank you very much.